You will receive an enrolment email once your account has been created. The email will include your account details, as you can see here. Here you will be provided with a temporary pattern on a coloured grid. It is just like a temporary password you receive when creating a new account. In this case, your temporary password is in the yellow box in the middle and top row. When you see this grid is populated with numbers, you will choose the numbers which are in the place of your pattern, like so. Now you will click the link that will take you to a self-service portal where you will be asked to change your pattern to something you will remember, just like you would choose a password. On the self-service portal, you will write your username, and when you go to the passcode box, a grid will be shown above. You will use the temporary pattern to choose the correct numbers in the passcode box. In this case, your passcode will be 250213. Once you have signed in, you'll be asked to choose a pattern of your choice. In this case, we are choosing the letter V pattern. Now, you will repeat the same pattern in the next box to confirm your pattern. It's just like choosing a password and confirming it in the next box. Remember to click Save once you have confirmed your pattern.